Hi guys, look at the collection. I put it there. Hi guys, today let's go do the unboxing. Number 1 package, open. So guys, to be honest, I'm not giving away some, but I'm giving away some of my toys that I don't use anymore. Lola, bakit dalawa dito? Bakit dalawa? Lola, dalawa.
That is the one that is connected with this. Kasi,
Lola, I have dalawa. Card. Lola, dalawa ako yung card. Lola, dalawang card. Lola. Lola, dalawang card. Lola, dalawang card. You see?
so maybe you have two. They just put two. But it's the same. But only one person. And with the teddy bear.
Yeah, that was so strange. Wait, Lola, that was strange.
But this one bigger or this one? This one is bigger, huh?
Hello, I'm scared.
Oh, it's the same.
Yes. Lola, what did I get? Lola, I got the cutest one. Lola, I got the cutest
Did
one.
you show it?
Which one?
Then after this one, let's eat first, okay? Then unbox the other one after eating, okay?
Okay, wait.
Wow, that's cute.
Snuggle buddy.
That is cute.
One last unboxed.
No, that's 6 pieces.
6 pieces. Guys, I only have 6 pieces. Wood string and the flowers stopping in the rock. Lola, you won't believe it. I got the cutest one of all times. Lola, I got the cutest one of all times. Look.
Ooh. She has a bag.
Where is it? Okay, guys. Bye, guys. See you in. Wait.